So it looks like the weather is going to be fine for East Texas throughout the Thanksgiving travel season, but what about the weather elsewhere? Could that cause delays?
Yeah, the eastern seaboard right now getting in on the same storm system that we just saw, which we'll talk about in just a second. But let's take a look at the rainfall totals from this past storm system estimated by radar here. Now, this is over the past 2 days, but most of this has fallen within the past 24 hours, picking up nearly 1 3/10 of an inch out in parts of Sabine and San Augustine County, also southern Nacogdoches County as well, picking up over an inch of rain estimated by radar. Some lower amounts the farther north and west we went where there was less thunderstorm activity. So all this was much needed rainfall for here in East Texas, and we kind of lucked out here as once those storms got out of East Texas, they eventually produced some tornadoes out in Louisiana and in Mississippi as well. So these storms that produced the tornadoes were the same exact storms that formed in deep East Texas, but they didn't strengthen until they got across the state line and into central Louisiana there. So again, we lucked out in that regard. But if you have any friends or family from Alexandria up to Jackson, Mississippi area, make sure to check in on them and find out if they're okay. Now, that storm system that did bring the rain and storms yesterday to many of us, especially in deep East Texas, is now shifting eastward. It's bringing some heavy rain to the mid-Atlantic states, even some snow up into parts of upstate New York and into Canada. And then we also have some rain and storms and a potential for tornadoes out in the Florida Panhandle this morning. So if you're traveling eastbound, that's where we have the problem spots where you may face delays if you're heading to, say, Charlotte to Washington, D.C., up to New York and even Boston as well, seeing the potential for some impacts of rain and maybe even some snow in some of the more northern elevations. But if you're heading westward, you're looking pretty good. And really, if you're heading around the region across the entire state of Texas even, we're looking dry for your day on Tuesday. We just have to deal with a lot of those clouds moving through. But as high pressure settles in during the day on Wednesday, that's going to keep most of the United States actually dry here. So Wednesday, an even better day for travel, especially if you're flying to the East Coast at that point on Wednesday. We do look to see better conditions. So Wednesday, definitely the best travel day across the country for us weather-wise. Now, on Thanksgiving itself, we'll be tracking a storm system that develops over the Gulf of Mexico. It may send some showers our way during Thanksgiving, mainly during the late afternoon and evening hours, but shouldn't be anything heavy and certainly will not be any thunderstorm activity. And then we'll start to see drying out conditions again heading into your Black Friday. So a closer look at your Thanksgiving forecast here. We're going to see those highs only in the 50s on Thanksgiving, starting out in the mid-30s though, so it's going to be pretty chilly in the morning. And again, we will see a chance for isolated showers developing late in the day as a weak storm system moves on through.